favored by God.
Hi everyone, welcome to our Freedom Kids YouTube channel. Tune in for wild science experiments, super fun challenges, groovy dances, and faith-filled lessons. Now, shake the sillies off and get ready for today's Freedom Kids episode.
Hey Freedom Kids! Today we are going to be making a centripetal force board, play the Bean Boozled challenge, and learn about Queen Esther. Keep on watching! Word of the day, Esther 4:14. And who knows, maybe you have been chosen for such a time as this.
Hey Freedom Kids! Today on In the Lab, we're learning about centripetal force.
Centripetal what?
Centripetal force. Let me break it down. Centripetal force is when an object moves in a curved or circular motion being pulled towards the center.
What?
Let me just show you. What you'll need is a wood board, some rubber, and rope. Make sure to have some adult supervision.
We have 3 really cool elements that we're going to be using on centripetal force. Some cereal, water, and a canned drink.
Awesome, let's get started, guys. So we're gonna start off with our cups. Want to prepare the water, Olivia? We're ready to test out our first element on our centripetal force board. Okay, we have our centripetal force board and our first element prepared. And now for some centripetal force action. Here we go. So here's our curved motion. And 3, 2, 1. And the water remains in the cup. Now for our second element.
We have some cereal. We're going to pour it into our bowl that already has some milk in it.
Last object.
So that's what centripetal force is. I liked it.
Fun, right? Well, thanks again, guys, for joining us on In the Lab. We'll see you next time. Bye.
Random truth of the day. Did you know that Esther was used by God to save the Jewish people? Every year, the Jewish people celebrate this day as a holiday. Do you know what it's called? Keep watching to find out.
Hey kids, let's get ready for praise break.
Hey Freedom Kids, I'm so excited to be here today. We're going to learn a really cool new dance called I Choose You by Planet Shakers. Are you guys ready to go? All right, let's get started. So make sure you guys do some big stretches, spin, spin. I have 2 really cool helpers here. I have Peter and Hannah. They'll be helping me today. All right, so for our first move, what you're gonna do is your hand's gonna go up like this, and you're gonna point and bring it down. I choose you, just like that. Let's try it again. 5, 6, 7, 8, I choose you. Then it's gonna go, woo, and then you're gonna spin. So let's try that. 5, 6, 7, 8, I choose you. Woo! Perfect. Now we're gonna take this hand like this hand like that, and your hand's gonna go up and make a really big circle. I choose you. Ooh. Perfect. That's all that it is. Let's try that from the very beginning. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. I choose you. Spin. Ooh. I choose you. Ooh. Now you're gonna clap. You're gonna go clap to this side. Boom. Boom. Clap up. Boom. Boom. And all that you're gonna say is no matter when and over again. Stop right here, and then you're gonna point out, I choose you. Perfect. And then you're gonna go 1, 2, 3, then go crazy. All right, let's try that.
I choose you. I choose you. Hey. No matter where and over again, I choose you. 1, 2, 3, let's go.
guess what this holiday is called? If you guessed Purim, you guessed right.
Hi guys, welcome to What's in the Box. Today we have strawberry syrup and scrambled eggs. Hubba wubba.
You can go ahead and put your hand inside the box.
What?
What does it feel like?
I don't know. Chicken?
It's not chicken.
Noodles?
Noodles?
Gummies?
Nope.
Orbeez? Mac and cheese?
No, it's not mac and cheese. You can eat it if you want.
Are you sure?
Yes, you can eat it. What does it taste like?
Some kind of candy. It's slimy.
You can try it if you want. It's yummy.
Nuh-uh.
You can eat this for breakfast.
Pancakes?
Nope.
Spaghetti?
No, you don't eat spaghetti for breakfast.
Waffles?
Nope.
Eggs?
Yep. Eggs and what else?
Eggs and I think it's syrup.
Yes, very good. You can take your blindfold off.
It's strawberry syrup.
Yeah, very good. Good job, Gracie.
Eggs and syrup.
Hey Freedom Kids, my name is Maya and today I'm going to teach you about Queen Esther. Queen Esther was an ordinary girl, but she found favor with God. Because God favored Esther, God set her apart for a special plan and purpose. The plan was just designed for Esther, and it was only for her and nobody else. Are you ready to learn about Esther? Are you ready? Let's go. Esther was born with a special purpose, just like you and I. Esther was raised by her uncle Mordecai because she didn't have a father or mother. Mordecai taught her how to ride a donkey, how to brush her teeth, how to swim, how to catch fish, and much more, like praying and trusting in God. Esther found favor with God and the king of Persia. One day, Esther's uncle Mordecai was working with the king's council when he overheard that the king was looking for a queen in Persia. So Esther was brought to the royal palace, and the palace helpers prepared her and made her beautiful to meet the king of Persia. So they washed her with the most beautiful, most gorgeous and expensive perfume. And they washed her with different kinds of flowers. And they dressed her with the most beautiful, gorgeous dresses you could ever see. Just like this one. If you want to know what the king thought of her when he saw her, just keep on watching.
Hey everyone, and welcome to Fun Factor. Today we're going to be playing a Bean Boozle challenge. How it works is there's two beans that look exactly the same. One may taste like rotten eggs, and one may taste like delicious strawberries. Let's take a try. Blueberries, yummy.
Okay guys, so we're gonna be playing the Bean Boozle challenge. This game is gonna be either delicious or disgusting. Are you guys ready?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. And we got either toasted marshmallow or stink bug. Go ahead and pick your jelly bean. In 3, 2,
Mine's good.
Mine's good too.
go ahead and eat it.
Stink bug.
Ready? So the next one is either juicy pear or booger. Give it a try.
I still taste the flavor.
Go ahead and give it a try. Is it stinky booger? Okay. Okay guys, so the next one is coconut or spoiled milk. Give it a try.
Oh,
Oh, mine's coconut.
That's disgusting.
Yummy. That's delicious.
So the next one is either chocolate pudding or canned dog food. Give it a try. Okay, we can put them for now. Okay.
Oh boy, I would hate to have one of those gross jelly beans. So, we're worried. When the king saw Esther, he knew that was going to be the queen of Persia. So, this mean guy set out a rule on a certain day that anyone could steal from a Jew, including the queen. When the queen found out, the queen went to the king. She had so much favor with the king that the king destroyed that plan and he canceled it just like that. Esther was an ordinary girl and there was nothing special about her, but she was special to God and God set her apart. And she was used to save people, to save her people. And just like Esther, you've been chosen. You've been handpicked by God. You've been created for a special plan and purpose for your life. If you want to have favor just like Esther, repeat this prayer after me. Ready? Okay. Jesus, I receive you in my heart. I receive you as my best friend. I love you, Lord. And in Jesus' name, amen. And just like that, you have favor with God. Repeat this after me. Ready? Okay. I am favored by God. One more time. Ready? I am favored by God. Yes, Freedom Kids, just like that. We love you. We will see you next week.
I didn't think it was gonna fall like that.
Hi guys, it's Zara. Today we have ketchup and I got all beef.
What?
All beef.
Nope. Keep looking. Keep
I
going.
get all original.
No, it's not Orbeez.
It is, you know.
No, it's not.
I hope you got the
Okay,
disgusting.
ready? Try your jelly bean.
Yeah. The king destroyed that rule and canceled it, and the victory,
Wasn't that a fun episode, Freedom Kids? Be sure to like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next week.